Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss grade 7 mathematics third term test paper for the upcoming term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. Question number 1, A part. The following table shows the information about the attendance of students in grade 7 of a certain school reopening after COVID-19 pandemic. We are given the information in the table like this. Then first question, draw a multiple column graph to represent the above data. Here if we choose the categories as first week, second week and third week, then subcategories are 7A, 7B and 7C. I can draw the multiple column graph like this. This is the graph drawn by me here. We have to represent each data by using columns. Then second question. I'll write it here. Second question. When 3 weeks are concerned, which class shows the improvement of students' attendance? If you consider the multiple column graph here, 7A class has an improvement of the students. First week 20, then second week 30 and third week 35. So it's an improvement. So second question, the answer is 7A. Then third question, third part. When 3 classes are concerned, which class shows the least attendance? If you add the total attendance of 7A, it is 85. Then total attendance of 7B is 80 and 7C, the total attendance is 65. So the least attendance is from 7C class. Answer is 7C. Then fourth question. This period is concerned. Write a reason for the least students' attendance for third week of class 7B. In class 7B, third week we have a poor attendance, that is 5 students. So a reason can have like this. Most of the students in 7B class may have got the disease, may have victims of the COVID-19 pandemic. So that can be a reason. In B part, the following solid is obtained attaching 2 same size square based pyramids. 2 same size square based pyramid. So this is the compound plane composite figure, composite solid, compound solid we have obtained here. Then first part, write down the number of faces, vertices and edges. We have to count them. Number of faces. How many faces are there in this? If I count, 8 triangles are there. 8 triangular shapes. So 8. Then vertices. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Then edges. How many edges are there? 12 edges if you count that. Then second part, show that the Euler's relationship is satisfied for this solid. The Euler's relationship is number of faces plus number of vertices equal to number of edges plus 2. If I take f plus b, according to this solid, number of faces is 8, then vertices 6, then the addition is 14, then e plus 2. Number of edges is 12. 12 plus 2, that is also 14. So we can conclude that therefore Euler's relationship is verified. Euler's relationship is verified, satisfied for the solid. Second question, draw a Cartesian plane representing 0 to plus 10 on x and y axis. First we will draw a Cartesian plane like this. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then first part, mark the following points on the above Cartesian plane. These are the points. A1, 6. A1, 6. Here is A. 1, 6. Then B, 5, 10. 5, 10. 10 is here. This is B. Then C, 9, 6. 9, 6. 9 is here. Then D, 6, 6. 6 is also here. This is D. Then next one, E, 6, 1. 6, 1 is here. The x coordinate is 6, then y coordinate is 1. E. Then next one, F, 4, 1. X coordinate 4, y coordinate is 1. Then G, 4, 6. 4. 4. X coordinate 4, y coordinate is 6. This is G. Then second part, join the above points in the order so that a closed plane figure is obtained. We have to join the points. We have to use a straight edge and join here like this. A, B, C, then D, C to D, then D to E, then E to F, then F to G, then again G to A. So this is the figure you obtain here. Then in third part, draw the axis of symmetry of the above figure. How to take the axis of symmetry here? I'll draw it from another color. The axis of symmetry is go through 5 in the x coordinate, like this. This is the axis of symmetry. Then third question, using the straight edge and the pair of compasses, do the following constructions. First part, construct a circle with radius 4 centimeters. Name the center as O. I'll draw it like this. The radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. We have to take the distance between this distance as 4 centimeters and then draw the circle. So this is the circle drawn by me. Then second part, construct a regular hexagon so that the vertices lie on the above circle. I can place the point of the compass like this and draw arcs. I can repeat like this. Now we can join these points, the intersecting points. These are the intersecting points. So then third part, name the vertices. Here the center of the circle is O. Then name the vertices of the above hexagon as P, Q, R, S, T, U. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Then fourth one, construct an equilateral triangle so that PQ is one side and O is one vertex which located inside the circle. An equilateral triangle as one side PQ. Here if I take like this, the side length of the hexagon is also 4 centimeters. Then the radius of the circle is also 4 centimeters. Then this distance, OQ distance, is the radius of the circle, that is also 4 centimeters. Then this one is also 4 centimeters. Then I can join the point O to Q and OQ, the points P and Q directly like this. This is the triangle that we have to construct here. Actually this is an equilateral triangle as all the sides are equal in length. Then question number 5. Using the protractor, measure and write down the magnitude of POQ. I can use a protractor and then measure this magnitude. If I place the protractor like this, the magnitude is 60 degrees. So I can write POQ. Magnitude of POQ is 60 degrees. Fourth question, first part, we are given to simplify this kilograms and grams. 3 kilograms, 250 grams multiplying by 4. 250 multiplied by 4 is 1000. So 1000 grams. We have to take this 1000 grams as 1 kilogram to the kilogram side. Then the remaining is 0 here. Then 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Answer is 13 kilograms. Then question number 2. We are given to simplify this. 8 multiplied by, then within brackets 35 minus 25. Divide by 10. We have to simplify the operation inside the bracket first. 35 minus 25 is 10. Then divide by 10. Now we have to perform this multiplication first. 8 times 10 is 80. 80 divided by 10. The answer is 8. Then question number 3. I'll write it here. Express 96 as a product of prime factors and express as powers in index form. We have to divide 96 by prime numbers. The first prime number is 2. 2 times 48. Again we can divide by 2. Then 2 times 24. Again by 2. 12 by 2. 6. Again by 2. 3. Then you have to divide by 3. 3 times 1. Until you get 1 here, you have to repeat the division. Now how many 2's are there? 5. Then I can write 96 as 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 1. Then part 4, question number 4. We are given to simplify this. 5, 3 over 4 minus 2, 1 over 8. We can simplify the whole number part first and then fractional part in the second simplification. 5 minus 2 plus then 3 minus 4 minus 1 over 8. 5 minus 2 is 3 plus we have to take a common denominator here. Common denominator is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3, 6. Then minus 1. Then 3 plus 5 over 8. The last answer is 3, 5 over 8. We have to write it as a mixed number. Then part 5. Probability of germinating a certain seed is 85%. A part, express this as a fraction. The fraction 85% is equal to 85 over 100. Then in B part, express this as a decimal. 0.85. Question number 5. First part. Draw a convex polygon and a concave polygon. In a convex polygon, we don't have any reflex angles. I can write a figure like this. This is a convex polygon. Then in a concave polygon, at least we have one reflex angle. I can draw like this. This is a concave polygon. This is the reflex angle. This is convex and this one is concave. Then in second question, what is a regular polygon? a regular polygon. If all the sides in the polygon are equal in length and all the angles are equal in magnitude, then it is a regular polygon. That is the definition. Then third question, third part. Classify the following triangles according to the angles. The first one is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse, because in the triangle we have an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. The second triangle is a right angle triangle. We have a right angle here. Right angle triangle. Then in fourth question, classify the following triangles according to the sides. C. C is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal in length. Equilateral triangle. Then D. In D we have two sides equal. Isosceles triangle. Then fifth question, fifth part. Draw the reflex angle ABC such that ABC angle equal to 300 degrees by using the protractor. This is a reflex angle. So easily we can draw this reflex angle by drawing the angle. The remaining angle, if you subtract 300 degrees from 360, you get 60 degrees. So easy to draw the 60 degree angle and take the reflex angle. I will draw like this. If I count, this is 60 degrees. So if you join this, then the other angle here. The angles around the point is 360. So if this one is 60, then this angle must be, the magnitude is 300 degrees. So this is the angle A, B, C. Easy to draw like this. Question number 6. A part. Flour, sugar and butter are mixed to manufacture a certain biscuit in the ratio 5 to 3 to 1. First question. Express each ingredient in the mixture as a fraction. First we will take the fraction of flour. The total parts is 9. So 5 over 9. Then if you take sugar, then out of 9 parts we have 3 parts of sugar. 3 over 9. Then butter. 1 part. 1 over 9 is the fraction. Then second part, second question. Find the flour amount needed to make the mixture of 3.6 kilograms in kilograms. If the mixture is 3.6 kilograms, then we can find the amount of flour here. 3.6 kilograms multiplying by 5 over 9. I can simplify like this. If you divide 3.6 by 9, you get 0.4 here. Then 0.4 multiplying by 5 is 2. 2 kilograms is the amount of flour. Then B part. A father owns a certain land. He gave 0.3 of it to his wife and 3 over 5 of it to his 3 children equally, and he kept the remaining portion with him. First part. Express the portion given to the 3 children as a percentage. 3 over 5. We can convert this into a percentage by multiplying by 100%. Then 300 multiplying by 300 divided by 5 is 60%. Then second question, express the portion given to wife as a fraction. 0.3 is 3 over 10. Then third question, find the portion remaining with him. This is equal to 30%. Then if you add these 2%, you get 90%. Then the remaining is 100% minus 90%. Then the answer is 10%. Or you can write it as a fraction as 10 over 100. That is equal to 1 over 10. Question number 7. First part. Write down an instance that we have to draw a scale diagram in our day-to-day life. What are the instances? Sometimes we have to larger or smaller the real size of an object. Plan of a house or a land. Then Sri Lankan maps, world maps. Then diagram of an animal cell or an insect cell, like that. Then second part, the length and breadth of a rectangular shaped land are 240 meters and 160 meters respectively. To draw the scale diagram of it in the scale 1 to 4000. 1 to 4000. First we'll read the scale here. That means 1 centimeter represents 4000 centimeters. If you convert this to meters, you have to divide by 100. That means 40 meters. 1 centimeter represents 40 meters. Then A part. Find the length of the scale diagram. The real length of the land is 240 meters. Then if 40 meters are represented by 1 centimeter, we have to divide this by 40 to find the length of the scale diagram. Then 6 centimeters. That is the length in the scale diagram. Then in B part, find the breadth of the scale diagram. What is the breadth of the scale diagram? How to find that? The breadth of the real measurement is 160. Divide by 40. That is 4 centimeters. Then in C part, we are asking to draw the scale diagram. For that, you have to use the straight edge and the pencil, and then first draw the length as 6 centimeter. This should be 6 centimeter. I'll draw it like this. Then a right angle should be constructed here. 2 right angles here. Then this length is 4 centimeters. You have to draw, join the two end points like this. 4 centimeters. All are right angles. Then in D part, find the perimeter of the scale diagram. How to find the perimeter of the scale diagram? 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2. This is in centimeters. 20 centimeters is the answer. Then E part, find the area of the scale diagram. Area of a rectangle is found by length multiplied by breadth. 6 multiplied by 4. This is in square centimeters. 24 square centimeters.